technically feasible is something, what resource is required. We then want to think about reusable assets. It's all good building things in silo, that'll get you so far, but naturally that's going to cause some pain and friction later on. Whereas if you can look at reusable assets and those same standards, you can make sure that if you innovate in one area, other areas can benefit from that. The penultimate point is measure and report on those outcomes. Success has to be measured. So whatever you set out as those key performance indicators at the start, as part of that strategy, you need a mechanism to track that over time. Whether you're looking at the rate of adoption, that could be one aspect. Or it could actually be something that's linked to revenue targets or customer success, customer engagement. You need to make sure that you have those targets defined and you have a mechanism to measure that success. Reporting definitely helps out with that. And if you're in the Microsoft suite, Power BI has some excellent AI-enabled capabilities for you where it can build those reports for you. And the final point is managing the AI service. And this is more so around whereabouts are you on that AI journey, what technology you're using. Copilot is one aspect. There's a license, you can purchase it, assign it to a user. You're kind of good to go. There is a really good applied skill that walks you through how to deploy Copilot. And it goes down to like device management and a few other aspects. Yes, that needs to be done. It needs to be monitored and managed. That's a given. But actually, it's a relatively low effort, a low administrative burden. When we're looking at more advanced AI workloads, where we're maybe building out in Copilot Studio, or maybe you're looking at code-first deployments in Azure or other cloud environments, that's where you need to have a proper mechanism to manage that service. Most specifically around cost and security. So how are you going to manage that cost? How are you going to forecast? And the security aspect, data residency, where's that going to sit? So a few things to look at there. Those are the responsibilities of the AI series to really drive that forward. Obviously, there's aspects which will require wider business buy-in. And it isn't just about let's train some people up to use AI. There are a few other aspects. So hopefully that's useful. Take it away, see how you get on.